So today we're gonna race the big Nortec 390 Sport with 1800 horsepower against my SVJ. Whoa! It's so loud! It's so loud!
My ears are bleeding.
That's gonna be you soon.
Oh, I cannot wait. This thing, I'm gonna be in jail. I'm going to jail today.
Alright guys, now before we get to today's video, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is Get Roman. Talking about erectile dysfunction isn't easy. Usually we just brush it off or blame ourselves, saying things like, I lost my mojo, or we avoid it altogether with excuses like, I had a long day at work, or sorry honey, I'm just not feeling it. But with Roman, it's easy to talk about it with a healthcare professional who can prescribe real medication. It's simple, safe, and totally discreet. With Roman, you can get a free online evaluation and ongoing care for ED, all from the comfort and privacy of your home. The healthcare professional will work with you to find the best treatment plan. If medication is appropriate, Roman will ship it to you with free 2-day shipping. Getting started is simple. Just go to getroman.com/savage and complete an online visit. Erectile dysfunction used to be tough to tackle, but now there's Roman. Complete an online visit today to connect with a healthcare professional and take care of it. Go to getroman.com/savage today. If approved, you'll get $15 off your first order of ED treatment. That's getroman.com/savage. So guys, with all that being said, you're seeing Get Roman on the channel again for a reason. People have been very happy with their service that have used them from our channel. ED is a serious thing, and they make it a lot easier to deal with. If you need to, or you think you need to, check our link in the description down below to get started today. I promise you, you're not going to regret it. Talk to you guys soon. Sprinter van, Aventador, and then, woo! Oh man, that looks good. What do you think of your new wheels now?
Oh my God, they're fantastic.
I mean,
beyond.
I didn't think you'd get them on this fast.
Well, you know, I know a guy, so.
Yeah, there you go.
I mean, love the idea that it looks like a Hot Wheels car.
Yeah. There we go. Duh.
Thank you, sir.
Have fun. Yes, Blake.
I slammed it.
Oh, yeah. Jesus, I didn't realize she already had it tinted. I can't see shit in there. All right, Hunter.
You ready?
Time to go. Bye-bye.
So pretty.
It's so loud!
My ears are bleeding.
How do you like this thing? What are first impressions?
I love it so much. I mean, it's just an awesome car. It's so easy. It's easy to drive. It's super comfortable.
But
I mean, I'm speechless. You know, it's the car. It's the poster I had on my wall. You know, everybody had a poster on the wall.
as a dream car.
As a dream car. Mine was the 920, the Risky Business.
Oh, I see.
Porsche with the. I even had the glasses too.
Oh, okay.
Somewhat.
Oh my gosh, they are Carrera glasses.
Right.
That's so cool.
I'm gonna, you know, match it all up, make it look fabulous.
That's awesome.
So yeah, no, I love it so much.
The Sprinter van isn't working right, so we turned off the AC, so it's just the fan working. Now that we've done that, now it's just blowing water at us.
I just get it on my forehead, a huge rub.
Dude, this thing is working so well.
Right.
up, Blake?
Hey, what's going on, man?
Not much.
What are we doing here? What did you bring us out for?
Well, last time we were on a red boat. Now we're on Tiffany Blue boat. So, the same exact boat. It's a 39-foot Nortec.
Okay.
This one has quad 450s on it, so 1,800 horsepower again.
Oh my god.
Boat tops out at 95.
Okay.
So, we're
So this will
working
be
with
interesting.
some speed here.
I'd be the someone who takes the car, though.
You want to?
Well, I do, but I want to go on the boat, too.
I'll drive the SVJ if you need it. I'm just saying.
Oh, okay.
I volunteer as tribute.
Give me a G.
It
It makes sense.
I get to experience my future baby.
Right, so we're gonna race it against the boat.
Oh, really? Oh, hell yes. Sold.
So today we're gonna race the big badass Nortec 390 Sport with 1,800 horsepower against my SVJ, and we're gonna go to, what's the name of it again?
Carlos Pass.
Big Carlos Pass. We're gonna race to Big Carlos Pass. That sounds really cool, kind of like in the desert or something. But anyway, so the trick is whoever gets to the center part of the bridge first wins. So it's Top Gear-esque, but it's gonna be a point race. So let's see what happens.
Jumping the bridge.
Turner, what are we betting?
I'm not betting anymore. Never, ever again. Ever.
All right. So you ready?
I'm ready. I got the keys.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Here, Jim, do you want to?
Oh, do I want to?
You want to be sitting.
Yeah, go ahead.
Do I want to?
Holy
Oh, they might actually win. We got construction traffic. I don't know how this is gonna go. That's gonna be you soon.
Oh, I cannot believe this thing. I'm gonna be in jail. I'm going to jail today.
Whoa! They're ripping it.
They are going.
They are ripping it.
Good. From the drone, it's like a 15-foot rooster tail. It's not.
I wonder where Turner is right now.
Dude, that thing literally flew.
Dude, the everything at my feet went forward. Yeah.
Randy, what'd you think of that?
It's awesome. It's an amazing boat. I mean, 1,800 horsepower. 450 Merc race engines on the back. I mean, it's.
Serious.
I mean, the only way to get wilder is put another one back there. If you
Can't even
really
fit it,
wanted
though.
to.
That's the
Exactly.
problem.
And that becomes, just overkill.
Yeah.
It's just got plenty of power.
The thing is, like on the 45, for instance, we can put 5 on there, but the 2 outside motors are up higher, so they bark a lot.
Right, yeah.
Which barking means they're bouncing off the rev limit.
Right, exactly. Especially when you're turning.
Yeah.
We made it back after racing the boat, and I'm pretty sure we won.
Like, we are back. We're f***ing victorious. We've won.
We've won.
We are all that is man.
Exactly.
It's like, Turner, what are you doing?
celebrating our victory.
Yeah, you know, just hard work, kicking ass today. So, oh my gosh, we kind of funky jumped in the water.
Jumped in the water as they were coming in and be like, hey,
I don't know if we were in there the whole time, like popped up, like, oh hi, I didn't see it. So hungry.
Hello.
Like, when you're in a Lamborghini, you just can't beat us.
So, what are you about to do?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay, sounds good.
Beautiful day.
So massive.
Sad little horse.
It is a sad, we gotta beef it up.